I'm so scared.
Hey, little one, don't be afraid.
But you're a panther.
A friendly one.
Oh, what was that? Welcome to our meeting.
Indeed, a gathering of friends. Behold, the ancient well of stories.
Wow, a magic well.
It holds the wisdom of the aged.
Wow, look at the well. It's glowing.
The magic is awakening.
So beautiful and sparkly. And the moon. Wow, a moonlit trail. Let's go.
Right behind you. This is fun. Yeah, adventure time. I'm coming.
Whoa, what's that?
It's magic. Ah, snakes with red eyes.
They're coming closer. Kind of fun.
Stay right there. Whoa, a giant snake. We have to help the fox.
Quick, climb on my trunk. Thank you.
Oh no, you're hurt.
The stone, use it.
I'm trying. Please work. Please wake up.
It's glowing. What is it?
It's waking up. Look, everyone, the moon well is glowing.
The water is shimmering so brightly.
It's beautiful.
Magical sight.
Wow, it's so beautiful. I wonder what it is. Can I touch it? Wow, look at this blue stone. It's transforming. It's a living piece of the jungle. Look at the moon. I feel so powerful.
Wow, you're glowing. We're unstoppable. Yes, friends forever.
Wow, the whole forest is glowing.
It's pulsing with life energy.
Everything is so bright.
It's magical.
Look, drones frozen mid-flight above the canopy, and their red lights are off. Wow, so mysterious. Feel the power of nature. It's spreading everywhere. The whole jungle is glowing.
What in the world?
Is that you? Mom, Dad!
Hey! Wait, Panther!
It's leaving us.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Yeah, please subscribe now.
Don't forget to subscribe.